name is Renee Tucker, and we're currently in Ellicott City, Maryland. I wanted to update it because when we moved here, it was 15 years old, and I wanted something updated and current and more modern. My kitchen was before, it was double layered, it was brown wooden cabinets, and it was a brown yellow backsplash and countertops. I found KBR and Matt by doing a search on the internet. And after completely doing my research and going through the reviews, they appeared to be the best company for the job that we wanted for our kitchen. I called the company. Matt came out, he took measurements. He came out several times, took measurements, came out, remeasured, and we discussed what we wanted changed and what the outcome of the kitchen to be. The design process was, I did look through Pinterest, Instagram, to get a couple ideas to see what was the current flow of modern kitchens today. Called Matt, we set up an appointment. I went out to the store. Matt put together exactly what I wanted. He showed me some examples. We went through the examples and we came up with a final product. I found everything in the showroom. I found the countertops, the cabinets, the doorknobs, everything was right there. He had a variety, he had a large variety, which made it even harder for me to select from. But we put together and we found what we wanted, and he was very helpful, putting together, matching everything up to make sure it was cohesive all the way across the kitchen. The construction process was painful. Anytime you do construction, it's painful. But what I do have to say is that Renee and his team, they came in, they demoed the first day. They demoed for about 3 days. They came back, they came and they put the cabinets in, the floor cabinets, and we realized that we had to move some stuff around because the flooring that was under the current layout, we had to add more flooring to it. So the team, the construction team, Renee and his team, they went out, they matched it up perfect. Because I don't even pay attention to where the old flooring was and the new flooring is currently. So they did an excellent job matching the flooring. The best is the whole kitchen. I love the way the cabinets turned out. I did not want standard white cabinets. I wanted something with some color. The cabinets and the countertops match perfectly. I'm really a more neutral tone person, so I didn't want to go bold, so it was nice and subtle, and it really, really came out perfect. It came out exactly the way I pictured it. It will be my pleasure to refer anyone who comes in my home and enjoy my kitchen and ask who did my kitchen. I will refer them to Matt and KBR.